What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are here in beautiful Erwin, North Carolina. Today, it's just me and the old cameraman, Levi, and we are going to be venturing out into the woods. We've kind of found some places with water that we want to go fish and check out, but really the main idea of this video is we're just going on an adventure. We're just being kids. We're having fun out in the woods. Hopefully we can find some fish along the way. So come on with us. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's get it. Dude, we might be able to fish that little creek down there at some point. If it gets deep enough. Do you think there's fish down there?
I know there's a lot of crawfish and salamanders in them, so
yeah.
Something's probably eating them.
We're on the road, we're on the road. Oh, this is about to be super cool. Oh my, look at this. Look at that, y'all. All right, guys, well, we just came out here, stopped by the river, just to see a nice, beautiful view of the Cape Fear River. Oh man. Got some obstacles up in here in the woods now. Y'all, we've come up on I guess it's the same creek. Came up on this little creek here. Let's check it out. Oh, oh, Scarlett took a tumble. Look, guys. Little tadpole. Pretty cool. Let's see if we can't get one of these Sallies. I got him. Dude, look at that salamander, man. That is beautiful. Stop on the adventure train. We found a tadpole, we found a crawfish, and we found that cool little Sally. That was sick. That was so cool. All right, guys, now it's time to get to the pond. We're running out of daylight, so let's get it. Oh, this looks so sick. Oh my gosh. We might be on the juice. Oh, there's already fish moving, boys. Oh my God. Oh yeah. We made it, and it looks very good. Now we just gotta find a place to fish. It looks pretty crowded with brush. Sure, we can find a place.
Hey CJ, why was the fisherman bad at golf? He had a bad hook. So far, I'd say the fishing's pretty subpar. Golf course ponds where it's really important to have a good pitch shot.
That tree is big. Fish on, baby. We got a fish. We got a fish. Let's go. Yes. Well, not the giant we were looking for, but a fish nonetheless. It's gotten really dark out here. We've just been muscling it out, trying to get a fish. We got a fish, sweet. Night golf course pond fishing. All right, guys, that's a wrap. What an adventure it was today. We found this sick pond on a golf course and we ended up catching a fish. If you liked the video, make sure you smash that like button. If you're not subscribed to us already, make sure you sub. We will definitely be back to this pond. But remember, all it takes is one. Snap out.